Kijing tip bagi khobor ki baman la kasni na kwasi ka channel siang bahal subscribe na manta.
They're just questioning for the sake of asking questions and trying to maybe have brownie points outside. But realizing that we have to be mature here. We have to be leaders out here to understand the larger goal for which we are standing here today, which is to make the economy grow and develop, sir. So therefore, sir, this is not a long debate, but I got this opportunity to speak about the different issues. But I'd just like to share a few other points before I resume my seat. That apart from the CM Elevate program, sir, a large number of skill development programs are also taking place where we'll be training almost close to 1.5 lakh youths. So we have come up with a very, very large agenda for ourselves, a very high goal. Again, the honorable member may again, make fun of these goals that we have, but that's how we think and we move forward. That we would like to saturate is the word I use. I would like to saturate this government, the MDA government would like to saturate the housing areas. Make sure that every single household or family should get a house, whether it's through PMAY scheme or through other schemes. We would like to see that every village is connected, saturate so that every village is connected either through a motorable road or at least through some suspension bridge or some kind of footpath. We would like to see that every village has got internet connectivity in the coming years, at least in this next 5 years. We'd like to see that every village and every household has got water connectivity. We'd like to see that every village and every household should have power connectivity. So these are big targets that we have set. And let me assure the House, sir, we will do everything in our capacity to achieve this goal, sir. So today we are also going forward with a very, very important agenda, which is to ensure that public service delivery improves. Sir, I've already informed the House, and I would like to once again remind the House that in the next 2 to 3 months, we are starting a very ambitious program where over 6,800 volunteers will be selected and placed in every village as a representative of the state government to be able to provide the services that they want at the doorstep. This volunteer-based network will be connected through a software and through a call center where before the individual can even complain that the transformer has gone, the volunteer will update the information to us. It will be a very strong intelligence as well as a very strong service delivery and an overall monitoring mechanism so that we can ensure that the services and the kind of development that is meant for the villages is reaching the village. So therefore, sir, this is a very important CM Connect is what we're calling it. We'll be starting this program very soon. So sir, I do apologize to the members for having taken up a lot of time, but I thought that it would be appropriate for me to speak about the different points that have been raised throughout this session and give a reply to all those factors. And sir, again, as I mentioned, sir, we are not saying that issues and problems are not there. It is there, sir. We know that challenges are there because last 50 years we have faced it without blaming anybody. But then we need to have that determination in our hearts and in our minds that we will make sure that we change that. And that starts with a vision and a goal and moves forward with teamwork. Today, there are certain members who talk about certain government being run by certain individuals. Sir, no government is run by any individual, sir. It is a teamwork. We believe in teamwork, sir. I cannot do things alone. Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers who are here, they have a responsibility. If they don't work, things will not happen. They are part of the team. It's not run by one individual. And as far as I know, the Chief Minister is Sangma. The Deputy Chief Minister is Tinsong. And the Deputy Chief Minister from Gentia Hills is Mr. Dha. So therefore, sir, let's not make this kind of allegations and remarks which are really very, very petty, sir. Sir, I have not disturbed the honourable member, sir. He'll have his chance.
On the Rule 300, sir, point of order, sir. I raise a point of order. Sir, Rule 54, whenever we submit for a call attention, sir, and Rule 54.2, there shall be no debate on such statement at the time it is made. So, sir, do you allow to have a debate? If you allow, then we will debate. I'm ready to debate for you, with you, sir. It doesn't mean that you'll take advantage of this call attention and express what you feel only. We have. When you talk about the mindset, we know what is the mindset. There is a difference between the mindset of a tribal and the mindset of those who have been upbringing outside the state, sir.
Honorable
So when you
member.
want to talk about mindset, let us talk about the mindset. What kind of mindset you are talking? You think just because we raise issues concerning the state that we are narrow-minded?
Honorable member, please,
Don't try to
Sit down,
insinuate.
please sit down.
Don't try to insinuate.
because
You speak
Chief
straight to
Minister,
the call
he has
attention.
replied
Address
for
the point that I've
benefit
raised
of
in
the
the call attention. If you want to debate, let us have another platform to debate, sir. You can extend the house.
He has already.
Can we allow you to just speak alone?
Please stop. Please stop.